Installing with an open graded base is more than just swapping out the aggregate material. To build an open graded base, the depth of excavation varies based on usage, slope, site soil conditions, and paver thickness. For walkway and patio applications, a total excavation of 10 to 12 inches is needed, while for driveways we need to excavate 14 to 16 inches. An overdig of 6 to 12 inches is recommended to prevent edge settlement. As you would with any base, compact the loose subsoil resulting from excavation to prevent settlement. After compacting the loose subsoil, a barrier separator is required, such as filter fabric. It is a must to keep soil and fine particulates from getting into the clear stone base and clogging it. Make sure to leave enough fabric to wrap the base material layer after it's been installed. Next comes the Unilock drive grid. It helps provide base stabilization and prevents aggregates from rotating laterally. Drive grid performs best 6 inch below pavers. Place base material directly on it. This base type is free of fines, allowing for better drainage, quicker compaction, and has the same structural strength as a traditional base. Unilock recommends 3/4 inch angular, not round, clear gravel, also known as ASTM 57, with stones averaging 3/4 inch in size. Apply a minimum of 6 to 8 inches of open-grade base material for pedestrian applications and a minimum of 10 to 12 inch for vehicular traffic. The next step is compaction. You'll discover that it is faster and easier to compact an open-graded base. Averaging 6 inch plus lifts depending on your compacting equipment, the number of compaction lifts required is greatly reduced, saving time and labor. Once the base is tightly consolidated, you're good to go. Note that it is perfectly normal to have a little flex or give because this material has no fines, so it doesn't compact the same as traditional base. Now that the base layer is installed, we will use ASTM number 8, ASTM number 9, or HPB clear graded material for the bedding. It is best practice to pour 1.5 inches. The bedding will settle to a nominal 1 inch on the top because of the void spaces. The usual method for screeding sand is used here. The slight difference being 1.25 inches pipes is used for screed rails instead. Now, you've completed the base. Next steps would be to lay the selected Unilock paver. Modified concrete edging is recommended for open-graded base, as the standard plastic edging with spikes will not hold in place with this type of gravel. To install this type of edging, use a trowel to screed away the bedding to expose the base. Apply mixed concrete along the edge. With your trowel, tow the concrete under the pavers and mold the edging up 1/3 of the paver thickness at a 45-degree angle. With this option, you can do the final compaction within the same day. As for joint fill, you can use polymeric sand or resin sand. Fill joints to 1/8 inch to bevel of paver. Don't forget to compact again. There you have it, an open-graded base that will provide the foundation for efficient drainage and handle freeze-thaw cycles without paver movement, giving you reliable stability for your paver project for many years to come.